Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you could fix if your Gmail is not sending mails. So if you are encountering the issue in sending the mails on Gmail, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. The very first thing you have to check is that you are using an updated app or not. For that, head towards your Play Store. Tap on the search bar at the bottom, head towards search and search for Gmail. Here you have to make sure that you are using the up-to-date app because updating the app usually fix all the bugs and glitches inside the app. Once you are done, simply go back and for sure your issue would be resolved. But if you are still encountering the issue, what you have to do is to simply scroll back, head towards your phone settings. From the settings, scroll down and head towards apps. In the apps, you have to simply find out see all apps, and now it will show you the list of all the apps which are available on your phone. From this list, you have to simply find for Gmail, like I am heading towards Gmail. I'll tap on that, and here you have to go to the option named as storage and cache and clear out the storage and cache for Gmail, and after that your issue would be resolved. Okay, so guys, that's it for today.